Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Roblox on your Steam Deck in 2025. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer, this method may or may not work for everyone. Roblox is constantly updating its software and what works today might not work tomorrow. Additionally, this guide involves a couple of workarounds and your mileage may vary depending on your Steam Deck's configuration. I'm gathering my information from various online guides, such as Power Up Gaming and Steam Deck HQ, but I am not responsible for any issues that may arise during the installation process. Okay, let's get started. We're going to use a tool called Sober, which allows you to run the Android version of Roblox on your Steam Deck. Here's how. First, hold the Steam button and press the power button, then select Switch to desktop mode. Open a browser and go to Sober website. Download the Flatpak file from the installing section of the page. Then third, double-click the Flatpak file. If prompted, choose the Discover Store app to open it and then complete the installation. Fourth, you'll need a Roblox Android APK file. Search for one untrusted APK repository like APK Pure or APK Mirror and download the latest version. Fifth, right-click on Sober in the application launcher and select Add to Steam. Sixth, open the console and enter the following command. This allows you to configure the gamepad controls in the Steam overlay. And lastly, run Sober from your Steam library and select the Roblox APK you downloaded. Log in and you should be able to play Roblox. If Sober doesn't work for you, another option is to use Waydroid or Android emulator. The installation process is a bit more involved as it requires using the console terminal. You can find detailed guides on how to install Waydroid and configure Roblox online. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.